Hello, my wonderful seventh grade language arts students. I am really excited that we are about to start our novel called The Outsiders. Some of you may have already heard of this novel or perhaps may have seen the movie yourselves, but we're going to take a look at this book with an in-depth view of what it really means for people to make decisions in life and how decisions can really shape the outcome of people's lives. This book is a fantastic look at those types of themes. So for this book, it's going to take us about 5 weeks to complete. And during this time, we're going to do lots of different things with our piece of literature here. We're going to analyze characters. We're going to analyze setting. You'll make predictions about the book and the characters and events. And I'll also have you make inferences. Of course, throughout the whole time, we will use the text to cite evidence for our claims. And finally, we will end our readings, the reading of the book by watching the movie and kind of making some comparisons about the book and the movie. So to get us started on our text, I have a quick little video for you to see that will help kind of set the stage for what we're going to read. So enjoy our video. And please visit our Canvas page in order to see more about your first activity and the reading questions that will go along with what will start in Chapter 1. Here's our quick introduction.
The Outsiders, a la Shmoop. Why would anyone ever want to join a gang? Back in the 17th century, John Donne wrote that no man is an island. We think he meant it figuratively, but we've tried contacting him to confirm and he won't return our emails. No! Anyway, he did have a point. We human beings kind of like each other's company. We join clubs and groups that share our interests, all so we can avoid being alone. In The Outsiders, Ponyboy, Soda Pop, and their friends are part of a gang called the Greasers. And since belonging to a gang doesn't exactly increase your life expectancy or make you more popular or make your life easier, we have to ask the question, why would anyone ever want to join one? Well, being part of a gang may feel like being part of a family.
Oh, yeah.
Even if it's a dangerous one.
But let me make you an offer.
And any family is better than no family.
No!
Or maybe a gang's biggest attraction is protection. Pony and his friends live in a dangerous area, patrolled by a rival gang called the Socials. If they didn't look to each other for protection, the Socials might find a way to be, dare we say, unsociable. And while some people in tough situations have the strength to go it on their own,
I'm Spider-Man.
most of us have trouble resisting a steady stream of peer pressure. Especially if we're feeling hopeless, or bored, or confused.
Say what?
And even though we're aware real gangs don't look anything like these happy hoodlums, they might still look better than any other option around. So if gangs offer a sense of family, loyalty, and friendship, maybe the reasons for joining a club like this one, or a club like this one, aren't as different as you might think. But what do you think? Do the pros outweigh the cons? Shmup amongst yourselves.
Hey, where did everyone go?
So I hope you guys enjoy our reading of our novel, The Outsiders. Let me know if you have any questions.